Can you escape? Is there a Borrowell account deletion button? Ever felt like you're trapped in a cycle of checking your credit score? You log in, see the number, maybe it's gone up, maybe it's down, it's a roller coaster. But what if you're done with this ride? What if you want to ditch Borrowell altogether? Is there an escape pod, an eject button, a glorious delete my account sign flashing neon in the corner? Well, buckle up, credit score warriors, because that's exactly what we're here to explore today. We'll be diving deep into the murky waters of Borrowell account management, surfacing with answers to your burning questions. Can you truly delete your Borrowell account? And if so, how do you navigate the platform's hidden corridors to achieve this digital freedom? Now, before we embark on this quest, let's take a quick pit stop. Borrowell offers a bunch of services, from free credit monitoring to their credit builder product. These are fantastic tools, but if you're no longer interested, it's perfectly fine. You shouldn't feel chained to a platform you don't use. Alright, with that cleared up, let's get down to business. Borrowell actually offers two options, deactivation and deletion. Deactivation is like putting your account on hold. It's still there, but it's kind of hibernating. Deletion, on the other hand, is more permanent. It's like hitting the eject button and blasting off into the unknown, well, the unknown of your financial monitoring. Here's the catch, deactivating or deleting your account won't magically cancel any paid subscriptions you might have with Borrowell. Products like Credit Builder have separate cancellation processes. So, make sure to sort those out before hitting the big red button, or the Borrowell equivalent, which hopefully isn't red. Now, onto the good stuff, the how-to. There are two ways to close your Borrowell account, depending on your digital weapon of choice, the Borrowell app or the Borrowell website. Escape Pod, the Borrowell app. For the mobile warriors among you, here's your mission briefing. Launch the Borrowell app and locate the Sacred Account Settings menu. This might be a gear icon or hidden under your profile picture. Explore those app nooks and crannies. Once you've infiltrated account settings, find the equally sacred Edit Your Profile section. Now comes the crucial step. Scroll down with the determination of a credit score explorer and locate the Manage Accounts section. There, you'll find the golden ticket, deactivation or delete account. Website warriors, Operation Borrowell account obliteration. If you prefer the power of a keyboard and monitor, fret not. Here's your path to digital freedom. Log into your Borrowell account on the website. Navigate to your account settings. This might be under My Profile or a similar tab. Just like the app, delve into the depths of Edit Your Profile and locate the Holy Grail, Manage Account. There, you'll be presented with the deactivation and deletion options. A word of caution, not all data disappears into the digital void. Before you hit that final button, there's one important detail to remember. Due to legalities and record-keeping requirements, Borrowell won't completely erase your information upon deactivation or deletion. They'll still hold onto some data for a certain period. If that gives you pause, you can always contact Borrowell directly and inquire about their specific data retention policies. Knowledge is power, after all. The choice is yours, credit score traveler. So, there you have it. You now possess the knowledge to deactivate or delete your Borrowell account, depending on your digital destiny. Remember, closing your account won't impact your credit score itself, but it might affect how Borrowell tracks and monitors your credit in the future. Ultimately, the decision is yours. Do you want a temporary break or a complete digital detox? Choose wisely, credit score traveler, and may your financial journey be prosperous. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.